We do a lot of articles on 3D printing and additive manufacturing, but I liked this because the people who are quoted in the article, one of them, Marshall Miller, he's a buyer of castings, and he really just tells his peers or his foundry foundry suppliers to just try it, especially something like this 3D printing of tooling, which is like a very low cost entry point. And here this article is talking about using it to just print some patterns that you might just need for one or two parts. This 3D printing is becoming more of a mature process. The cost to try it out is becoming lower and lower. And so Marshall is really just telling you folks to just try it out, see what you can do with it. It's not going to be the answer to everything. It's a one tool in your toolbox. But this is kind of neat because it's for if you just need the one replacement part, or maybe you have an existing pattern that just needs one little adjustment for one part. So then you can just print and insert, and that without having to create a whole new pattern or destroying an existing pattern that you then would have to remake, because tooling is very expensive in the casting realm, as you guys I'm sure know.
Tim, I think, just a comment from my end, it's been pretty interesting just how it's shifting the industry. So Shannon, you made a point on it's not going to solve everything, but from my experience in permanent mold casting, we're limited on what we can do from a prototype sense. Now with 3D printing and 3D printing coming about, we now have solutions to be able to offer some type of prototyping help. Now we're still a production shop, but there's areas we can help direct customers to, or in different relationships to help build that product to get it to a production type state.
Yeah, and the equipment's gotten faster. The equipment's gotten cheaper. The materials, the variety of what you can print is just amazing. I mean, it just keeps getting faster and better all the time. I think it's a great tool.